Good afternoon, fourth grade online learners. Welcome to April 16th, 2021. Please make sure you take your quiz today and 3 journal entries for the week. We're learning about the outer planets, which surprisingly are mostly made up of gas. There might be a small rock center or solid center, but mostly gas. And they are called the gas giants. Mercury, Venus, Mars, and the Earth are the inner planets, and they are mostly solid. So when you get to the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and we are considering Pluto a planet again. They are mostly gas planets, Pluto being the one that is mostly rock. But Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, gas giants, mostly made of gas. You might be able to land on them if you spent a long time getting there, but you have to get through a lot of atmosphere and gaseous substances. Jupiter is the largest planet, and it has a great red spot, which is a big storm that's going on. It's many times bigger than the Earth, just the storm alone. Saturn is the one we think of with the rings around it. Other planets have rings, but Saturn is the most famous, and they could be very colorful, according to some photos that we have. Uranus, it also has some rings, and Uranus is the third largest planet. Okay? Unlike the other planets, it appears to rotate on its side. And then Neptune is an interesting planet, and it has a moon called Triton, and the surface looks somewhat like a cantaloupe. The surface has many geysers on it. And last but not least, Pluto doesn't act like the other planets, so for about 20 or 30 years they said it was not a planet. Now they are calling it a planet again, and there are 9 planets in our solar system. So your study guide is your key to a good grade on the quiz. Please study and do your 3 journal entries. Next week, PSSA, so we probably won't have as much to do as far as science. We're going to focus on PSSA. Have a nice weekend. We'll see you next week. Goodbye.